ocean plate. So you're going to need, of course, a paper plate or a foam plate, light blue paint, or you can use a crayon, a color pencil, or marker. But if you're using paint, you need a paintbrush, scissors, glue, toothpicks, and I got these fish. I cut these out and I got them down the lake below. The paint and the plate. So you're going to open up your paint, swirl some on your plate, don't swirl all, and then you're just going to paint it. Now I'm finished. We're going to wait for it to dry. Step 2 is the fishes. You can do it black or white and color it just like me. Then you put toothpicks. You put a hole through. You gotta make sure that the paint dries or you can't do it. Then you're gonna poke it through the plate. A little bit so it can float up. And now I'm going to do the rest. Make sure it doesn't fall. You can cut them in different sizes. Make sure I don't break your plate. And yet, you'll need to make them all float up. You could glue them on the plate too. And this is how it should look like. And you also will need light green construction paper and some tissue. This is for more details. Or you could just do it like this. I want to add some more details. You can use dark green too. So cut this into 1/3. I know this is not really 1/3. And then half again. And then another half. And then cut them two together and do another half. This is going to make it faster, more easy. Another half. And that's it. And then these halves, cut them in half vertically. And now they should look like this. Okay? Then you can make them into different shapes. Yeah, but you can make them into different shapes. Because it doesn't need to be like that. It can be however you like. Okay, now I'm just going to make all of them. But it might be tough. And it might make a large mess like this. So you can choose either way to do it. And it makes a large mess, but it takes less time because it might sprinkle a lot like that, like this, because that happened to me. Now you're going to glue them on to a glue size as a pea, because if you put too much, it's going to overflow like this one. So just keep on doing. Now these are going to be seaweeds, these plants up here. And I got this a little bit blue right here. I'm just going to use some napkin and wipe it up. But I think it looks worse there, so I'm just gonna let it like that. Final touch, guys. Step number 4. So you're going to get some tissue. So you're going to tear it off. And these are going to be like waves. So crumble it up. And untangle it. Now these are going to like waves. I'm just gonna glue it on. Glue a little bit off the edge. Is how you make this ocean plate, guys. This is how it should look like too. And if you want to make it more sparkly, you could put some glitter on it. But I don't want to. I feel like it's good. These are the waves. These are the seaweeds. These are the fish. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye.